The installation is very straightforward. We have a very straightforward way of deploying MSIs. So each school gets their own dedicated MSI for deployment out across their site. We download those from eSafe when they're produced, and they're produced same day, same morning if we need them to be. We deploy those out to our schools through our management console that we have in school, and we don't really think about that again. The file is very small. It takes seconds to go out. If you sit in an IT suite and allocate that package to the 30 computers in the IT suite, you will see it scatter around every screen to say it's downloaded and installed, and a few seconds later it's online and being monitored by the team back at eSafe. It doesn't appear to make any difference to the speed of the computers. It doesn't seem to have any impact on the broadband connections that we have in and out of our schools. So if we need to install or update any of the eSafe clients, it's a very straightforward task. The service from eSafe is great. The updates are absolutely essential. eSafe agent updates in the background without us having to force any updates. It just happens automatically, which means we're always on essentially the latest threat library. Every single one of our schools has resubscribed to eSafe, so I think the schools are very happy with it. We're very happy with it. The renewal this year, we didn't have to do anything. Once it's installed, it's installed. From our point of view, there was nothing to do. We trialled a software-only solution. The amount of information that came through was absolutely colossal. Quite frankly, more than we could possibly deal with. Within all of our teams at Stockport Council, we didn't have the staff to be able to deal with the volume of information coming back into us. It's very obvious when somebody types in keywords that are either offensive or scary. You can pick up on those straight away. Where we're in the dark is the subtleties. People crying out for help won't actually type, "I need help." It's other things, and we're not trained to do that. We wanted a value-added product that we could deliver to our schools that had no additional burden on ourselves, but also one that we were secure in the knowledge would be effective and work in a variety of situations, online, offline, in school, out of school if necessary, so if they're using school equipment. We wanted to know that if something was picked up by the eSafe agents on those machines, that it would be picked up whether we were in school or work or not. The outsourcing to a professional team of people who understood safeguarding, people who understood the personal behaviour of individuals that were in need, was very important to us.